On this video, I'm going to show you the fuse box location and the diagram for 2001 Honda CRV. So the first fuse box is located on engine compartment, right on this passenger side next to the battery. You'll find this little box here that has a fuse diagram right on top of it. As you can see, this is a fuse diagram located on engine compartment. Once you remove the cover, you find the first fuse panel right there next to the battery, easy to find on the passenger side. And this one, unlike most of the vehicle, the fuse diagram is located on top of the cover, not on the inside. And to put the cover back, you just line up those tabs, push down, click in place. Now this next fuse box on this 2001 Honda CRV is located inside the vehicle here on the driver's side. If you come down right here, there is a cover that goes right here that is missing, and you find the next fuse panel is located right here. All the fuse sets are right here, and because the cover was missing, which normally has the diagram, I went ahead and downloaded this fuse diagram for you. And right here is information, the fuse information for the fuse panel inside your vehicle. These are all the fuses, the amperage, and the fuse info. And this particular one is 2001 Honda CRV. This info is good for even 1999, 2000, all those vehicles. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. The next video will be coming up soon. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, and thank you for your support. If you have any question or you have any recommendation, you want to see a fuse box location for a particular vehicle, let me know on the comment section. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching.